everybody, and welcome once again to Off the Shelf Home Edition. We've got a great motorcycle for you today, the 1984 FXST Softail. Let's dive right in and take a look at this groundbreaking motorcycle. The Softail had the first factory hardtail look. It combines the visual of an early rigid rear suspension bike with modern shock absorbers. It had a triangular swing arm dampened with dual gas-charged shocks mounted horizontally below the transmission. It was powered with a 1340cc Evolution engine with 5-speed transmission, and it was the only factory Evolution model equipped with a kickstarter. It had a horseshoe oil tank under the seat that wrapped around the battery, and a center-mounted instrument console mounted on 5-gallon Fat Bob tanks. Both of these items harken back to the bikes of the 1930s and 40s. It had a 2-piece ribbed seat mounted on a rear bob fender, extended front forks, and a laced 21-inch front wheel. It had a narrow sport-style front fender, final chain drive, and staggered dual exhausts. Pair that up with a set of buckhorn handlebars mounted on long pullback risers, and you've got one great looking machine. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have a bike you'd like to see, put it in the comments below. We might just pull your bike off the shelf.